Hey, this is Anyfactor here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to replace the face of any photo in Android smartphone and tab. By following this video, you can also remove the background and add any object. I use two apps for this purpose, one for removing the face, another one for adding the removed face. For removing the face, I use the app Background Eraser, and for adding the separated object or face, I use PicSart. So let us get started. First, open the Eraser app, select Load Photo. Choose your photo from which you want to remove the face. Crop as close as possible to the face. After you have done, select Auto and now select a solid uniform color. You can change the intensity using the bar. The longer you take, the better the extraction is going to be. You can also fine-tune the selection by using manual brush. If you have made an error, you can repair or you can undo. The longer you take, the better the extraction is going to be. After you're satisfied, click down on the right hand corner. Now smooth the edges. Now save. Now close the app and open PicSart. Now open the photo where you want to put the face or object. After selecting the photo, go to Add Image, then find the eraser folder, choose the file. Now use pinch rotate to adjust the photo. After you're satisfied, click the arrow mark, then save the photo. Now you're done. Thank you for watching.